Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer data from broken iPhone to iPhone 17. Got a broken iPhone and want to move your data to the new iPhone 17? Here's a simple step-by-step guide. First, check your broken phone. If still on, if the power off, you can transfer your data easily. Now turn on your iPhone 17 and place it near to your old iPhone and quick start screen will appear. Tap continue and follow the instruction to transfer your data. Enter the passcode from your old iPhone. When asked, then choose transfer from iPhone and wait for the process to finish. If the broken phone screen doesn't work, use your iCloud backup during iPhone 17 setup and select restore from iCloud backup and sign in with your Apple ID, and that's it. Your data is now moved from broken phone to your new iPhone 17. And that's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.